How would I describe my coworkers? They're very easy to work with.
I've always been impressed that Packsize is full of smart people who are still really down to earth and who really embody what Packsize is all about through the way they live their lives every day.
My coworkers are a group of very intelligent, fun people to be around.
Friendly, everybody's willing to help.
Incredibly fun, open, collaborative.
I like my team. My team is easy to work with. We're always trying to better ourselves and the company.
Packsize is a great place to pour your passion into what you love to do.
Coming here to work was a gigantic breath of fresh air.
I love working here because I love working with everybody. It's really fun to come to work and work on innovative projects every day.
My coworkers are super collaborative. They're always willing to help, and each day we're learning something new.
It really just makes work easier when you're building those relationships and you can pull on other people to help you do your work. It just makes for a fun atmosphere.
Here at Packsize, I've noticed we just have so many different people who all bring something to the table.
My coworkers, every boss I've ever had in the 6 years I've been here has been awesome. I've learned a ton from them. It's a great spirit, a great camaraderie, a great environment to work.
Right at the moment, I go home every day and I think, gosh, wasn't this the most exciting day of my career?
And I can't speak any more highly for my coworkers.